Traffic queues, the curse of modern-day life. Everyone hates them. The boredom, the frustration. And whenever you're in a queue, why is it that the other lanes seem to be moving faster? It's a holiday weekend. The family are hitting the road. Just one snag. Everyone else has the same idea. Yet when you seem to be stuck in the slowest lane, switching to another can be really dangerous. Weird Science investigates the nature of queues on the road and in our minds. Let's start in the supermarket. So far, so good. But now you've got a big decision. This is where a speedy shopping trip can come unhinged. Which checkout queue are you going to join? Once you've committed, the nagging doubts begin. Will this be a fast lane? Or have you, as usual, picked the slowest moving lane? Apparently, you chose the slow one. And that lady ahead of you has got the wrong kind of milk. The neighboring checkouts all seem to be moving faster than yours. You may despair, but are you assessing the situation objectively? No. The problem is your observational bias. Due to the basic realities of your height and limited field of vision in a busy shop, you're unable to get the bigger picture. You're comparing your queue with the ones on either side, not the entire bank of checkouts. Probability dictates that you have a 1 in 3 chance of being in the slowest queue of the 3, but in fact, your chance of being slowest overall is nearer 1 in 20. The tension makes it feel like a bad decision, but there's no reason that you won't pick the fastest queue on your next visit. How does this work on the motorway? Our family are in the emotional pressure cooker of gridlock, one of those mysterious jams that seem to occur for no reason at all. The drivers are overreacting in the pressure of a queue. They brake hard, slow down fast, even stop, so the jam ripples back as more cars join it. Even though cars are accelerating away from the front of the jam, they're being replaced by even more cars braking at the back, so the queue gets longer. Everyone is really fed up now. Mum just can't understand why she's having such a slow trip. Her observational bias kicks in. When she's in slow-moving traffic, there's plenty of time to monitor the other lanes. In Canada, scientists played videotape shot from a car window to volunteers and asked them if they thought the next lane was going faster or slower. Over 75% of volunteers thought it was going faster, even when it wasn't. So there's some weird psychology going on. We tend to think things are worse than they really are. There'll be times when the car was overtaking other cars, but our mum hasn't really noticed her good fortune. Sensibly, she was concentrating on driving, not looking at the other lanes. And because we humans are so determined to learn from mistakes, we forget when things go smoothly. We remember the bad calls. So it's wider awareness that can make queues less of a pain. Keeping a safe braking distance avoids quick braking and the danger of coming to a halt, making the jam worse. And remember, it's not as bad as it seems. Most of the problem is in your mind.